Welcome to Focus Grammar School Budaali, a beacon of light in a community ravaged by poverty, war and conflicts.
My father died. He was called Ronald.
Do you know how he died?
When we went to school, we came back when he's dead.
Sorry.
In the heart of Uganda, a story of hope and resilience unfolds.
This area is called Budaali. During the Civil War, many people lost their lives and the village stayed demographically unbalanced. Around the year 2000, national missionaries decided to travel the entire country and take the gospel of hope to the vulnerable people. Bishop David Kiganda of Christianity Focus Ministries then decided to penetrate this community. But during this approach, he realized that the community was plagued by various challenges in every angle of life. After preaching the gospel and planting a church in the area, God envisioned David to open up a school within the church and try to secure the future educational base of the Budaali kids.
We saw a large number of orphans and vulnerable children out of school due to devastation caused by HIV and chronic poverty, which was caused by a series of civil wars.
The idea was very good, but doing that was just the beginning of a very long, challenging project.
Lord, we only pray that you give this day to us successfully. Let us go into our classes and we learn whatever the teachers will teach us.
Now the nature decides to take its course and surround the entire school to a forced break. After a very long sunshine, the clouds darken smoothly and very soon it starts drizzling. No more studies. Everyone has to run for their rescue. Each one trying to warm themselves up in their own way. Some students come in to rescue, and the teacher tries to give in his hand too.
How far is it from here? So you mean you stay 3 kilometers from here as a teacher, and you have to come here every morning, going back every afternoon? And which transport means do you use? So you walk every day, 3 kilometers. So that means 6 kilometers every day.
There are so many challenges.
If at all we would get someone to make for us a borehole near to the school, or we can build up tanks so that they can be maybe buying water using these vehicles which sell water from the but is also very far. Kampala is far away from here. We don't expect it to happen. But if they can construct for us a borehole at the school, I think this will be solved, and we shall no longer come to such a well which is so risky.
In 2020, Uganda experienced the COVID-19 pandemic that led to the closure of several sectors, including the educational sector. Budaali was one of the schools that closed for quite some time due to a pile of challenges that couldn't allow them to reopen and to operate smoothly. In 2024, the school reopens again.
Despite facing numerous challenges, financial strains, inadequate infrastructure, the school persevered.
My school is Focus Grammar School Budaali.
First time 2025.
I came here when I don't know how to read, I don't know how to speak English. Now I know. That's why I like my school.
My name is Pastor Cindy Kiganda. I thank God so much for Focus Grammar School Budaali. And our goal as Focus Grammar School Budaali is to enroll an additional 600 children and provide with them Christian education and support. Focus Grammar School Budaali is a testament to the power of resilience and community. We kindly request your support to this vital work.
Today, as we report, the school and the community of Budaali has safe clean water. Thanks to all our partners and well-wishers.
We just want to thank God that now, finally, Budaali is able to get clean water. Clean water for the first time. What you are looking at here is a well down here. That is where we have our tanks, as you can see. And the reason why they are two is not us alone that is benefiting from this great blessing and this great miracle, but it is us together with the community members. We give God all the glory.
Nze Musumba Kasibante Vincent, omu ku basumba abasumbira wamu ne Musumba Kagwa e Budaali CFC. Bannange tetukyanywa mazzi ga bidiba eri ge twakayaniranga n'ebikere na buli kintu kyonna kyonna tetukyabigabanira wamu nabyo. Bane tuli basanyufu nnyo ku nsonga eyo.
By the names of Kule Gerard, the head teacher, Focus Grammar School Budaali. The plan that I'm having is to make this school a model school that is moving at a level of those schools in the town. However, as a school which is found in a village, we go through challenges like learners are ever absent, most of them. This school will go under a circumstance that some of the materials can delay, for example, the scholastic materials that we normally use. School fees is a very big challenge with what? With the parents. When you try to send the learners home, these learners at times they don't return. So we get a challenge that we might fail to chase them. Why? Because you will send the learner and the learner will not come back. So you just feel like, let us just keep with the learners at school. When the time a parent gets money, we'll bring the money. Then it becomes a very big challenge. And it is a request that all the well-wishers and those people who wish well to Budaali, they should bring the support to us to make sure that we develop the school.
The budget will for us to construct dormitories for the orphans and the vulnerable children is approximately $30,000 to start with, at least in the phase one. Then we also need urgently, we need about $20,000 to construct a power line that can bring electricity to the Focus Grammar School Budaali, a school which has never had electrical power before because it's in 2 kilometers away. That is where the power line stops, and that's where we want to get it from to bring it to this school so that they can also make use of it and enjoy the benefit of electricity. We all know that most of the things we use in life, it requires power to go on. And because of that, right now, Budaali doesn't have computers because we got no power that can run these computers and so many other things that we would do with this electricity. So it is urgently needed. The solar panels that you have just seen on the ground, they are used to create power or to run our water pump, and the water pump is underground about 150 meters down and solve the water problem that has been at school for a very long time. But of course, after digging this well, there was a need for us to pump this water from the ground, but also to take it to the the tanks that you have seen, which are placed on the water tanker stands. But as you can see, to take it there, we needed electricity, which is not there, so we had to construct solar panels. It is our prayer that God uses you out there to stand with us to ensure that such needs can be met. We need support to address these challenges and provide a better future for our leaders of tomorrow. May God bless you.